Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to set up your organization with payroll in Xero so you can manage employee payments, taxes, and pay slips efficiently. Let's move to payroll settings. From your Xero dashboard, click on the payroll tab in the middle of your screen. Under the payroll, select payroll settings. So here you can see payroll settings. Under the payroll settings, there are 4 tabs. One is for organization details, and second one is for pay frequencies, and third one is for holidays, and fourth tab is for pay items. Under the organization, you can see there are 4 accounts. Here you can add your company information. So first of all, you can add your bank account, then set your pay liability account. Normally Xero automatically pick this account. Then you can add your wages expense account. Finally, wages payable account. So then you need to enter your IRD number. That means your company IRD number. Then you can select your employee size, whether it's small or large. If you want to insert your logo in your pay slips, you want to add your logo here. Then we are moving to pay frequencies. In New Zealand, we are paying salaries usually weekly or fortnightly. If your business has multiple pay frequencies, you can add them here. For example, for admin, there may be a separate date. For general workers, there may be a separate date. If you want to add 2 separate pay run, you want to go to the add option here. So there is a button here. You can see once you click it, you will see pay period. You can see pay period here. Then you want to enter your start date, from which date you are going to pay, and first payment date. Then you can set this new pay frequency in your payroll. Then you can set your holidays. Normally Xero automatically includes public holidays in payslip when running payroll. So you don't need to worry about holidays. Then finally, you can see pay items here. Under the pay items, you can see earnings, leave, reimbursements, deductions, statutory deductions, and superannuation. If you want to add new pay items to your payslip, you want to go to the add icon here and fill the details and add that new icon to your pay items. That's all about payroll settings. Let's catch up with a new video. Thanks for watching.